Most people think you can't lose fat and gain muscle at the same time. That's not true. How do I know? Because I've done it myself multiple times. I went from skinny fat to a ripped muscular physique. And I've helped guys in my one-on-one coaching program do it too. Some of them in their 40s and 50s. This process is called a body recomposition. And when you do it right, your body literally burns body fat for fuel while building new muscle. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. Step 1 is dialing in your calories and nutrition properly. To lose fat, you need a calorie deficit. This works for everyone without exception. You can be 80 years old, have a slow metabolism, and have no limbs. It will still work for you. As long as you're a human or a mammal, this will 100% work for you. It might even work for reptiles or amphibians, but I'm not entirely sure because I've never coached those before. Here's the thing though, if you want to build muscle while losing fat, you can't slash your calories way too low. You want to put yourself in a slight calorie deficit, about 300 to 500 calories below maintenance. This is enough for you to drop body fat, but not so much to where your body just refuses to put on muscle. On top of this, you need to be eating the right macronutrients. The most important being your protein. If you don't eat enough protein, you're simply just not going to build any muscle. You're going to need about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. This applies to most people unless you're really fucking fat. Like if you're 250 pounds, you don't need 250 grams of protein. So in rare cases like that, you could take your height in centimeters and eat that many grams in protein. If you're 5'10", for example, that's going to be 178 grams of protein per day, which is way more than enough. To recap, step number 1, put yourself in a slight calorie deficit and eat about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. If you do this, you're on the right track for a body recomposition. But if you don't do step number 2 consistently, you're not going to put on any real muscle. Step 2 is your training plan. And here's the truth. It doesn't matter what plan you're on if you're not training consistently and you're not training hard enough. You need to take every single set until failure in the gym. That means your last rep should be 3 to 5 seconds long every fucking time. If your last rep is fast and it takes you like 1 or 2 seconds, you're simply training like a bitch. You need to actually put in effort, bro, and push your muscles to their limit. That's what forces your body to adapt and get bigger and stronger. Now, once you understand effort, you need a structured plan in place. You want to hit each muscle group 1 to 2 times per week. You could use any training split as long as it matches the amount of days you're going per week. And I don't want to hear, I don't know what to do in the gym. You can go on ChatGPT and ask it to print out a plan for you instantly. The exact plan doesn't matter as much as sticking to it and actually training hard. That's probably your main problem, bro. Simply stick to the basics: squats, bench, rows, and pull-ups. Aim for around 10 to 15 hard sets per muscle group per week. That's enough volume to grow. And here's what nobody wants to do. Track your lifts, your weight used and rep count for every single set. Every week, try to beat what you did last time by an extra rep or by increasing the weight. That's called progressive overload, and it's how you keep forcing your body to change. If you don't do this, you're guessing. And if you're guessing, you're not serious about seeing real results. I personally track all of my sets and reps in the exact same app I give my clients to use. They also track everything, which is why we're packing on muscle while leaning down. So to recap, train to failure, hit every muscle group 1 to 2 times per week, track your lifts, and progress over time. Do this and you're gonna start packing on muscle fast. And if you wanna work with me inside my one-on-one coaching program so I could help you fast track your transformation, click the link in the description below. But let's move on to step number 3, which is extremely important. Without it, step 1 and 2 just won't work. You could have the perfect training and nutrition, but if your sleep sucks, you are self-sabotaging. Research shows that poor sleep slows down fat loss, limits muscle growth, and can even flip the results. People start gaining fat while losing muscle. You should be getting at least 7 hours of high-quality sleep every single night. And if you have trouble sleeping, don't worry. I'll give you a few tips that are gonna make a massive difference. First of all, make sure your room is pitch black. You could use blackout curtains or a sleep mask, whichever is most convenient for you. Just make sure it is pitch black. Also, make sure there's no noise. I personally use earplugs when I sleep so I don't hear anything. On top of this, you could take a magnesium supplement before bed, which is gonna help you sleep better, but it's also gonna help you increase your testosterone. I do this every single night. And don't be on Instagram Reels right before you sleep. Your brain needs to wind down, not get hyper stimulated by your phone. These tips are gonna make a massive difference in your sleep quality, so make sure to get 7 to 8 hours every single night. Overall, these are the 3 steps steps you need to follow for a body recomposition. And also, don't neglect tracking your progress. Take progress photos every week. You should be seeing visual changes in every single photo. Your strength should be increasing in the gym, and you should be fitting into your clothes way better. If these things aren't happening, you're obviously doing something wrong, or you're just not being consistent. Trust me, stick to this and it's gonna work without a doubt. And if you want personalized guidance so you could fast track your progress and get your dream physique, click the link in the description below and book a call directly with me. We'll go over your specific situation and map out a game plan for you. Looking forward to speaking to you, and if you have any questions, shoot me a message on Instagram. I answer all of my DMs. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one.